Next, we turn to the International Confectionery Machine of the Year 2025 category, celebrating advanced confectionery engineering that enhances precision, quality, and process performance. First, we have BCH with the DMS6, engineered to deliver consistent cooking and mixing across confectionery applications. Up next, Kuma Group with their CL169 plus FW749, an integrated cartoning and flow wrapping combination known for speed, flexibility, and hygienic design. And here's Tannis, presenting their candy conditioning rooms, designed to optimize controlled cooling, consistency, and texture in gummy and jelly production. And now we highlight Cheppy, once again with their sugar mill, offering reliable crystal size control for confectionery formulations. A remarkable set of confectionery processing technologies, each contributing to improved production efficiency and product excellence. And the winner of the International Confectionery Machine of the Year 2025 is Candy Conditioning Rooms by Tannis.